Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 shapes. Let's start. R E C T A N G L E rectangle. T R I A N G L E triangle. C I R C L E circle. S Q U A R E square. P E N T A G O N pentagon. H E X A G O N hexagon. S T A R star. H E A R T heart. O V A L oval. D E C A G O N decagon. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned.